Hello everyone, welcome to Creatively Organized. I'm Srujana. Today's recipe is a spicy puri. This puri stays fresh for 1 or 2 days, so it can be used or taken while traveling. Let me show you the ingredients. In this bowl, I'm taking around 2 cups of wheat flour. In this, we'll be adding half teaspoon turmeric, I'm taking around 3/4 spoon. I'm using around half a teaspoon garam masala powder, one teaspoon ginger garlic paste, one teaspoon level of dhania powder, half teaspoon salt, I'm using some chili flakes, around half teaspoon. This is KNEAD Italian seasoning for aroma, around half teaspoon of this as well. We're going to mix it all well. Make sure the ginger garlic paste is well mixed. Now that all the powders have been mixed well, we're going to pour some water and knead it into a dough. We're taking water little by little. Now that the dough is ready, we're going to add some oil. Oil is added to keep the dough softened. Now here's a little tip. Every time you knead a dough for your puri, please make sure it's not soft and it's hard. That's because if the dough is soft, while frying, the puris absorb a lot of oil. That's the reason it needs to be hard. Now that the dough has been kneaded, we'll let it rest for around 15 to 20 minutes before we start rolling it out. I'm applying some oil to a plate so that the puris don't stick. Now that our puris have rested for 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to make small size balls. Taking small size balls and I dip it in the oil and then start rolling the puris. You can see the chili flakes and the spiciness also. I don't use rice flour or wheat flour while making puris because it forms white powdery residue. Friends, now the spicy puri is ready to be eaten. I'm serving it with besan and aloo curry. Do try this. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching.